Midnight Raven here. Today we are doing Pink Parcel for February. So if you didn't know what Pink Parcel is, it's a feminine monthly subscription box. It comes in a mailer like this, and then inside it comes in this box. Pink Parcel is £10.50 for current subscribers. New subscribers, it's £12.99. It contains a range of feminine products, both TAMPAX or pads, depending on the option you choose, or you can have a combination of both. It also contains some treats for us as well, as the time of the month can be a bit of a trying time. So inside, we have loads of items, and we'll just move it to one side. So inside you will find you have 3 boxes. You'll have a for you, a for night, and a for later box, and you will also have one of these little bags, which I'll show you in a minute. So we have some coupons here. One of them is for Hello Fresh, which I don't use, so if you want to use that you can do. You get £20 off your first and second box. And then the second one is obviously something that's in the box. So we'll have a look at that when we get to it. Then we have an advertisement here for Betty Box. It says, "Love Pink Parcel." We also have a sister box called the Betty Box. So the Betty Box is more for 11 to sort of 16-year-olds. And the Pink Parcel is more sort of 16 upwards to like adult. Some of the items you do get in both boxes sometimes. I have actually ordered a Betty Box. I have done one before, but I've just ordered another Betty Box to see what it's like. So that should be coming at the end of this month, so stay tuned. I will be bringing you February's Betty Box as well. So inside you will find loads of items, and hang on 1 minute. Problem averted. I found the legend. It was in one of the boxes. I didn't think I had one there for a minute. So the Pink Parcel this month is Self-Love Parcel. So basically this is caring for yourself, taking time for yourself. You get everything laid out. So you have descriptions on everything and how much they cost. So we're going to run through all the items. So the Hessian bag has some pads and some Tampax, depending on if you chose both or just one. The For Night box contains just your night pads, which are actually a really good ones. They're really good size as well, which is what I like. I like to be comfortable at night. And then for the later box, you have the rest of your things, whether you chose Tampax or pads is entirely up to you, or you can have a mix like I do. Then the third box in here is the For You box, which is the box with all the goodies in. It does look like a pretty small box, but it does have quite a lot fitted into a very tiny little space. So we will move the box, and we will dive straight in with the first item, which is this Centered Love Therapy Balm. And it's this little sample here. And it says, roll onto your wrist, your neck, or your temples to slowly inhale this calming and comforting scent of rose, petunia, and cedarwood. So it's £14.50. You have to excuse my cat. He's on one today. So there it is. We'll just have a go. This is £14.50 for a full size, and obviously this is sample. You can smell something there. It's very light, but I do have a cold at the minute, so it's probably why. It's probably just me with a cold. But they did put this little advertisement in that obviously shows you their entire range. If you want to check out their thing, you can check out more at the Pink Parcel shop. So that's different. The next item is the Evelyn Leona Cosmetics Green Tea Primer. This creates a smooth base for your makeup using this hydrating, anti-oxidizing, rich green tea primer. And this is £28 full size. It's Protect and Prep Vegan. So I have a cold, so I can't smell a lot. It does smell like it has a very light smell. You'll receive a full-size version in your parcel, so this is actually full-size, which is kind of cool. Never used a primer before. Then the next item is from Haikuri, which I've had loads of products before. This is Shimmery Bronzer, and these were in various shades. Feel $1 million by slightly sweeping a blush brush over the palette, then over your cheeks for a radiant glow. This is £13, and I got this one, which looks like this. So we have two brown colours, and we've got like two orangey colours, and the idea is you just get your brush and you just sweep it across and then onto your face. For me, these are probably not the right shade. I mean, look, I am literally white. It would probably wash me out even more. It's a cute little box, and it is different. We don't usually get bronzer. Usually it's a blusher we get, but this is kind of nice. I like that we get different stuff over the course of time. The next item is the Dozy and Down Dark Chocolate with maple, toasted rice and pink salt. So this is a little dark chocolate bar. It's Canadian maple syrup, Himalayan pink salt and lightly toasted whole grain rice for a satisfying crunch in every bite. This is $1.75 for 40 grams, so this is a full size bar. Now I can't say I've ever had maple syrup or Canadian maple syrup. I've never had pink salt, so this should be kind of cool. Do love the design on the packet, it's very funky. The next item is from Emily Victoria Candles, and this is a highly scented wax melt in double chocolate chip. It says, place the highly scented wax melt into a wax burner and enjoy the sweet smells as cocoa fills your room. You can also get these at Victoria Candle range at pinkparcel.co.uk. So that smells quite nice. It's also a nice size as well, which is kind of good. Do like that. It's alright. I'm not so keen on the smell. It just kind of smells like burnt chocolate. That's the smell they're going for. It might be just my senses at the minute because I am so bunged up. I'm like still quite ill. This is the Manica, I'm probably crucifying that name, Honey Hydrating and Moisturising Korean Face Mask. Now, I've had one of these before in one of the subscription boxes. I can't remember which. But you pop this triple layer technology mask on your face for 20 minutes and allow the formula infused with honey extract to nourish your skin. These are $12.99 and you get a box of 4 and you can get these from the Pink Parcel shop. And there we have it. I absolutely love face masks. If you haven't watched my channel before and you're just tuning in for this one, I do have loads of face mask hauls on my channel as well, so definitely check them out. I will try and link my other Pink Parcel videos at the end, because we have had face masks before. This is the Yuyo, I presume that's how you pronounce it, the Yuyo Green Tea Caffeine Rich Like Your Coffee, falling up with this refreshing combo of peppermint, rosehip and grapefruit. Make as a herbal cuppa. So it's a herbal cuppa. I do love the design. There's a little parrot on there. These are $4.35 for a pack of 14. And it's grapefruit and rosehip and peppermint. I'm not a fan of tea or herbal tea. But I do keep these and I put them in a giveaway when I get a great big bunch of them, because I get all the little samples from each of the boxes that I get, which you might have seen has been toned down quite a lot with the subscription boxes at the minute, just on the basis that they all seem to have the same kind of products. Like if I get Birchbox, you will find that Glossybox are some of the same products, or I was getting other ones and they were having kind of the same products. So I've given it a break for a while, and then I will restart again in a couple of months, and hopefully the products will be a bit different. So all in all, we got the tea, the face mask, the wax melt, the chocolate, we got the bronzer set, we got the therapy balm, and we got the green tea primer. Now for me, this wasn't my favourite box. For me, this is quite interesting. The green tea primer, I've never tried primer, so that's interesting. The bronzer is probably the wrong colour for me. Girls Gotta Love Chocolate, never had that. The melt is alright, but it's a little light smelling, but it's probably because I'm ill. The tea isn't really my thing, and the face mask I've had before. So, not a bad haul. Half of the stuff I hadn't had before, which is always good to get a box where you haven't had the items in them. So, if you want to check out Pink Parcel for yourself, there is their social media. And you can also check them out at pinkparcel.co.uk/shop if you want to get items that you've seen in full size, or if you want to just check out their range, you can just go to Pink Parcel and subscribe yourself. If you also want to check out the other box they do, which is the Betty box, you can go to bettybox.co.uk and check that one out. That one is more devised at teens, sort of 11 to 16, and the Pink Parcel is more devised to adults, but I buy both just to review them, but I generally get Pink Parcel, and I get the occasional Betty box, just a comparison between the two boxes. So if you haven't already and you love my channel and you'd love to like and subscribe, that would be awesome. You can continue to watch all my videos if you like. I do have a playlist for quite a lot of them, Joom and Wish. And I'm not sure if I have a Pink Parcel playlist, but if I have, I will link it down below. Or I will link my last video for Pink Parcel so you can see. If you'd like to like and subscribe, please do so. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye!